What's going on, YouTubers? I'm Mr. Grit, and today we are cooking 2 yard birds. That's right, 2 whole chickens and smoked deviled eggs. And if you don't know how to make the deviled eggs, I'll put a link right here. And also a big shout out to Stephen Powell, from Ugly Drum Smokers, Texas, for letting us have these great contests every time. And I won an ink bird, and we're going to use that today. And also Adam York from UDS Australia. They are great people. They have great merch. Check them out on Instagram, Facebook. You're really going to enjoy it. So a big thank you to them. And also even a bigger thank you for subscribers and viewers like you. You're the ones that make this possible, and I really appreciate your support. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and even become a Patreon, so that way you have great content coming every week. Even more, let's support each other. That's what we do, and I hope you like what you see. So in return, let's get it cooking. Okay, so we got our 2 yard birds. We got some 2 chickens. This is what we're going to do. We got some flavored butter spray. That's always nice right there. Cool. We got some creole seasoning. We got some black pepper. Salt. First thing we're going to do, we're going to pat the chickens dry. Alright, we're going to pat the chickens dry. Get all that crap out of there. These have been rinsed, gutted, rinsed off again. It's 2 whole chickens. Pat these chickens dry, like I said. I'm gonna get these things going. Set it off really good. Alright, now we got our chickens. Now we're going to take our cooking spray. I like butter. Alright, we're going to spray these bad boys down. Right? That gets a nice, good golden crisp to the skin. We all like that, Make sure you spray your chickens real good. We'll set that shit aside. Take our salt. Sprinkle it on that chicken. Sprinkle it on that chicken. I'm going to take a creole. Get a nice good seasoning about that. I apologize for the wind. It's a little windy today, but it's a beautiful day here in Oklahoma. Get some good creole on there. Black pepper. A little bit of that. I do a little special thanks out to my daughter. She's been filming this for me while I turn around and do all this type of stuff. I thank her very much. Say hello, Abby.
Hello.
Alright, I appreciate it. And now take a look at that chicken. Take a look at that chicken. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now guess what time it is? Time to put it on the smoker. Okay, so we end up smoking this chicken in the smoker, in the drum, for about 4 hours. I got 2 of them in there. Roughly about 275 until the internal temperature went to 165. pulled them, let them sit, and then I sliced. Well, before I did any of that, I glazed it with butter, a little bit of sugar, and pure honey, mostly butter and honey, just to give it that nice golden look. Come check it out. You might like what you see. It's very delicious. And next time, I hope I can help you do what you got to do to get things done. So, once again, let's get it done. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like. Hit that bell. Become a Patreon. Make this type of content more available to everybody. So thank you once again. Until next time, I'm Mr.